In terms of leadership, I think Carlie has it all. She is so genuine in terms of what she feels and thinks and how she works with young people. She ensures that she represents young people's voices, she gives them the opportunity to represent themselves, but she helps our organisation at senior level to ensure that we really take notice of that, whether it's with the senior team, whether it's with the board, whether it's with other professionals.
I definitely see Carlie as a role model, because to be honest, I don't know where I'd be without her. I would have either been dead or in jail. Even if she wasn't in this job role, she'd still be trying to help people, she'd still be trying to make people's lives better and still be trying to make a change for the better to everybody around her. She's been the family I didn't have.
Youth work is something that just means so much to me, and it has literally driven me being the person that I am every single day since a very young age. So to be recognised for someone who is showing good leadership skills in youth work is just the most rewarding thing I could ask for.